Welcome to Aqua Platicodon, where more useless knowledge is unlocked. Today, let's talk about the recent wave of Boeing-related incidents. These events not only caught headlines, but also raised concerns about the intricate web of global supply chains and the challenges of maintaining top-notch quality in aerospace manufacturing. It seems like Boeing has been facing a string of troubles lately. Just a few days ago, a Jeju Air flight in South Korea tragically ended in disaster. The plane, a Boeing 737-800, crashed while attempting to land at Muan International Airport, resulting in 179 lives lost. Preliminary reports suggest that a bird strike might have caused the landing gear to fail, but investigations are still ongoing. It's a grim reminder of how even small external factors can have catastrophic outcomes. On the very same day, another Boeing 737-800 faced a critical situation in Norway. This time, it was a KLM flight that encountered a hydraulic failure mid-flight. The pilots managed to land the plane safely, though it skidded off the runway. Fortunately, there were no injuries, but it raised questions about the reliability of certain systems, especially when similar issues have cropped up in the past. Not long before this, Alaska Airlines had its own scare involving a Boeing 737 MAX 9. During a flight, an emergency exit panel detached mid-air. While no one was hurt, it's unsettling to think about such a critical component failing in flight. Investigators are now scrutinizing the supplier of these parts, adding yet another layer of complexity to Boeing's ongoing challenges. These incidents highlight a recurring theme: the potential risks posed by imported components in modern aerospace manufacturing. For example, there have been allegations that certain helium valves used in Boeing's CST-100 Starliner spacecraft were downgraded from titanium alloy to aluminum alloy by an overseas supplier. While these claims remain under investigation, they underline a pressing concern. How do you ensure that every single part meets the highest standards when the supply chain stretches across the globe? Of course, this isn't just about pointing fingers at international suppliers. It's about understanding how systemic issues can ripple through an industry as interconnected as aerospace. A single oversight in one part of the chain can lead to failures that cost lives and erode trust. So, what can be done to address these challenges? First, there's a clear need to enhance transparency in the supply chain. Every component should come with detailed documentation that tracks its journey from raw materials to final assembly. This kind of traceability can make a big difference in spotting potential issues before they escalate. Equally important is increasing the rigor of quality inspections. For critical systems like landing gear, hydraulic mechanisms, and emergency exits, more frequent and advanced testing should become the norm. Technologies like X-ray imaging and spectrographic analysis can help verify that materials meet the required standards. Another step is to be more selective about suppliers. It's not just about finding the cheapest option. It's about working with partners who have proven their commitment to quality and reliability. And wherever possible, bringing the production of high-risk components closer to home could reduce the risk of supply chain vulnerabilities. Finally, every incident should be a learning opportunity. Whether it's through public reports or internal audits, it's crucial to hold suppliers accountable and implement changes to prevent similar issues in the future. At the end of the day, aviation safety isn't just about individual companies or parts, it's about a system that works together seamlessly. These recent incidents remind us how fragile that balance can be, but they also show us where we can improve. For passengers, the ultimate goal is simple: safer, more reliable flights. Thank you for watching this deep dive into Boeing's recent challenges. This has been Aqua Platicodon, where more useless knowledge is unlocked. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. See you next time.